Aktiviti hari ni kita nak naik husky ride.
Сразу с самого начала.
It's a movie. Red carpet, the lights going through me. Anytime I arrive, it's the new me. Real diamonds on my neck, that's cool. All these things come to me. Dressing price. All my rings got weight to it. You feel that? You feel that?
Güzel, beautiful, good,
Good.
güzel.
In Malay, mantap.
Mantap.
Ya. Mantap.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Crazy.
Çılgın, crazy çılgın. Wow.
Aurora.
Not Aurora.
Nesi araba.
Benda ni, ini adalah kulit betul sih. Okay, kita dah start perjalanan kita menaiki snowmobile.
They come from Chukotka originally. Chukotka is a very far northeast of Russia, but why they have name Siberian, right? Because in the beginning of 20th century, some dogs were taken to Alaska, to United States by that time already, and they got very popular. Well, because they can run for long distance, they consume less amount of food, they adopted for cold climate. Right, because Chukotka is very cold, and the winter season is probably the longest in this region, and they're very friendly, right? So they're not loyal to one particular owner. Any human friend for them, right? So they get registered in the United States as a Siberian due to geographical origin. Okay, for Americans, everything that comes from Russia is from Siberia. If man falls off the sled, they will run away. They do not wait ever.
Aslan, you look like Eskimos. Eskimos.
That's it. Once you get dressed, you can.
Ini adalah pakaian tradisional orang Sami ataupun orang lokal, di mana mereka akan memakai wool jacket untuk naik husky. So, jom kita cuba. Kalau semalam orang jadi Among Us, sekarang kita jadi orang Eskimo. Kita nampak ada husky kat sini. Dekat kan? Hai. Kita punya ranger, dia lah yang akan drive kita nanti, yang bawa kita punya sled. Welcome to Husky Farm. So today we're going to ride a husky with a sled. So it's going to be an amazing experience. Thank you, Legend Travel. Woo! Okay, bagi kita naik dengan dia. Wow. Okay, let's go. Ready? Kita merempit guys. Ya. Okey, kita dah pun selamat sampai di destinasi pertama kita. Kita sedang menunggu tim yang pertama untuk datang ke sini. Seterusnya kita akan naik husky sled. Oh, tadi kau tak tengok kat sini. Wow. Very nice. Whoa. Okay, dia dah sampai dah. Ding 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 ding. Bye. Go. See you again. Okay, ni kita punya rider kita. Rider kita mantap. Comfort tapi dia boleh handle ranting ni. Oh, sliding. Yeah. Carmen Piloy. Okay, satu fakta pasal husky ni kan, dia lagi sejuk, dia lagi suka tau, lagi laju. Dia macam sekarang ni, dia tak ada sejuk sangat, dia baru dalam negatif 5 macam tu. So, diorang bersantai-santai je. Sebenarnya diorang boleh laju lagi tau. Okay, so we are ready guys. Yeehaw! You guys the best. Malachi. Thank you. So cute. Amazing, amazing. Ini adalah pengalaman buah sedar lantai yang anda kena cuba bila anda datang ke Rusia. Welcome to Husky Park! Yeah! Hai, kita sekarang bersama dengan Alexei. Hello. Okay, dia adalah owner kepada tempat ni. Oh, the boss.
Yeah, small boss.
Small boss. So, how many dogs do you have here?
Well, we have 94 dogs in total.
Wow.
Pretty much half and half. Well, female and male.
Okay, wow, they're balanced.
Yeah, balanced. Some pensioners do not
They don't run.
Pensioners do not run anymore, so it's probably like some 13, 14 years age. And then adult dogs and young dogs, they run, they earn money, and puppies, they, well, getting ready for next season.
Wow, okay, so normally how old are they?
Well, they start to run at 1.5 years, right? And then, well, depends on like individual and the dog. But now we have one of the lead dogs now that was in the first team. He's 13 years old.
13 years old.
Yeah,
okay,
so still running with his, let's say, kids and
Wow. The eldest one, how much? How old?
14.
14,
14,
that's the
yeah, we have 14 is the eldest.
How do you differentiate between the leader and then the
Well,
the
in
normal?
our case, it's the easiest to pair a lead dog male, lead dog female. So puppies, they inherit this ability. Then we need just to define which one of them is the best.
So which means the huskies, they are balanced also female and male. You don't know?
Well, on the run, it doesn't matter much.
Okay.
Yeah, of course, we try to do the, like to put
In pair.
Yeah. Well, from 1 liter, brothers, sisters, they run together
As a
much
leader.
better. No, much better. I mean, in general.
Nice. Okay. How do I know which one is the leader?
Well, you can ask me. The easiest way.
He's the leader.
Yeah, lead dog female. They are mostly all of them are females.
Okay. So this is my favorite dog.
Yeah.
He's the one.
Kerta.
Yang tadi. Kerta. Hi Kerta. He's the one with me just now. Kerta.
She runs already as a lead dog.
Wow.
Both father and mother lead dogs. So she's like very, let's say, well, good performance.
Nice. Okay, guys. This is Kiki. She is only 1.5 years, but she's already be a leader dog.
Lead dog.
Yeah, because of the parents, is also both are leaders. So this is a natural leader. Kita dah selesai tadi naik husky ride. Sekarang masa yang ditunggu-tunggu, kita nak pergi jumpa dengan reindeer. Jom.
My name is Alexander.
Santa.
My friend called me Santa. You know, Santa. First of all, my congratulations to you. You are in Arctica.
Woo!
When you were a child, all right, in childhood, you read the stories about ice and the polar bears and all of these expeditions, Arctica. You are in Arctica. Yes, okay, now it's -4. Still, you're in Arctica. Let me show you that on a map. Country, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah.
It is 10,000 kilometers.
Yeah.
First of all, if you feel cold, you can go there to that hut. Or there is a fire. Or there is a fire. No problem.
Sekarang kita berada di kawasan peninggalan orang-orang Sami. Di mana ini adalah contoh rumah mereka. So anda boleh lihat dekat sini lah mereka memanaskan badan. Ini nama dia yurt. Dekat sini ada api, unggun api dan juga kulit daripada reindeer. Mereka akan memanaskan badan dekat sini. Okay. Okay, dia akan jerang air panas. Jerang teh. Yeah, very good. Nice. And then you can get the sunlight there. Okay, let's see the other house. And this is the tepe. Okay. Dekat sini dia ada 3 jenis rumah. Yang ini adalah cabin lock. Cabin lock ni adalah untuk waktu winter. Jadi bila waktu winter sejuk, kita akan keluar cabin lock. So dekat sini kita ada kulit beruang. See? Oh, kat sini ada unggun api. Mereka akan tinggal dekat sini semasa musim winter. Tapi tak selamanya sebab mereka akan tinggal dekat sebab orang Sami ni, mereka adalah golongan yang nomadik. Dia berpindah randa. Jadi mereka akan ini adalah untuk travel. Okey, jadi mereka akan set up ni lebih kurang dalam setengah jam setiap kali mereka berpindah randa. Jadi kebanyakan orang Sami ni, mereka ada 3 rumah. Rumah waktu winter, rumah waktu summer dan juga rumah tepi untuk travel. Halo. Kita sekarang berada di dalam rumah. Ini adalah rumah untuk dorang berteduh daripada beruang. Yeah!
I'm here. I'm
Thank you.
around you. If you need, I will give you more.
Ya, kita dapat.
You can cross. Yeah.
Oh, you don't want. He's full. So sekarang kita bersama dengan reindeer. Okay, right yang seterusnya. Ini dah dia, reindeer. So dekat sini kita akan ingin menyusuri kawasan ni menaiki reindeer. Oh, okay.
Wait.
Oh, I'll sit here.
And who's this? Not too strong. Other side.
Other side.
Other side. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Great.
Sit dulu.
1, 2, 3. Aslan. Take a seat, please. Take a seat here, your lady. Can sit here. Or somebody else, they can sit. Your idea is
This is fox.
raccoon. Run. That's wrong, sir. Raccoon. Wrong. My
Oh, teddy bear, brown bear.
dear friends. No. That is the mean of the preparation is the same. Water boiling, and you put that there, right? 5 minutes, and you drink it. And after 5 minutes of the drinking, what you will do?
Oh, you were dizzy. No.
No, you will start to fly.
Ah, ketum. Oh, wow.
Yes, you fly over Antalya.
Ah,
Fly over Pattaya, right?
oh,
For half an hour from Bali.
oh.
Malaysia.
That is Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Over there, Kuala Lumpur. That is an energizer.
Ah, ketum.
Kind of a local tonic. Without this tonic, you would not live. It's too harsh. So the weather is harsh. Everything, the work is harsh.
Like
so
wheat.
All the circumstances, all circumstances is so harsh, that you have to smile. You have to be happy somehow. Fishes have to be happy.
Oh, this is ketum,
Exactly,
guys.
sir. It is a kind of mushroom, but it's growing on a tree, not on there on a ground. That is yes.
Wheat,
And
like sami wheat.
again,
Is it wheat?
wheat.
Like wheat in Amsterdam. Happy mushroom.
Sir, did you go to Amsterdam? I guess. Sometimes you have these funny things, right? You cut it, you dry it, you mill it, and you have this happy.
How much? How much?
Is that illegal? Here, you go to every shop in Murmansk or in Moscow, and you can get it. You can read it. It calls chaga.
Chaga.
Very easy to remember. It is a chaga.
Chaga.
Yes, you can get it.
It's legal.
Sir, it's legal. You can buy it in our shop, right?
Ah.
Chaga. Chaga. Yes, exactly. This is a chaga.
Are you sure we're not gonna arrest in the airport?
Oh, don't be afraid. Many people from
Ah,
Indonesia, Turkey, China bought these things and say the replies, thank you for this happy powder. Well, no problem. Design.
Technology. Technology.
Yeah, it's part of technological design, what it might be. It's not just for fun. It's not just for the beauty. Right now, in the souvenir shops, you can find these tiny, very nice beauty for the babies as a souvenirs, such a nice things. I asked them, why do you do these hooks? They do not remember anymore. But I am a historian of my education, so I know what is that. Your idea, dear friends, your idea.
Parents, for parents to spend parents, no?
No.
You, my lady. You
For dancing.
dancing, drinking that chaga and the dancing, yeah, baby. I will give you the right answer.
敲门吗？哦，挂的。啊，木头。
要滑那雪橇。
Ski.
It is for the ski. They have 6 months. 6 months we have a snow here. Definitely.
That's why you
In Thailand, you have every day you have a rain. You know everything about the rain, right? So they
Okay, ini adalah reindeer horn. Okay. Diorang potong ni sebenarnya dia tak membahayakan untuk binatang ni sebab ini ibaratkan kuku kita. Jadi diorang potong ni untuk keselamatan. Sebab mereka ni adalah haiwan ternakan. Jadi memang dia dibela. Dia tak perlukan ni untuk melawan pemangsa. Sebab tu diorang potong. Dan ini sebenarnya selain daripada dijadikan hiasan, ni juga menjadi salah satu bahan untuk mereka jadikan senjata untuk keselamatan. So datang kat sini, korang boleh pegang sendiri reindeer ni. Oh. Stop. Okay guys. So kat sini korang akan mengalami pengalaman masuk ke hutan salji. Tebal ni. See. Okay. Dikatakan dekat sini adalah peninggalan daripada dekat sana. Let's go. Sekarang bersama dengan beruang. Ini adalah beruang sebenar ya. Bila beruang masuk dekat dalam kawasan teritori ni, mereka dibenarkan untuk membunuh beruang tersebut. Jadi beruang ni masuk, dia kena tembak. Lepas tu sekarang dia dah jadi promoter dah dekat sini. Oh, finally we managed to meet the real bear. Ini dia. Jaga. Ni. Ni handcrafted by the locals. Reindeer horn. Ni semua adalah handmade barangan lokal. Orang kawasan kat sini lah. Orang support. See. So dekat sini korang boleh dapatkan banyak souvenirs handmade daripada locals. Ini daripada crystal. Tapi itulah kat sini semua cash sahaja. Saya tak ada cash. Finally finish. We're done. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. We had amazing time. Yeah. Habis dah. Finally we're going back home. Yeah. Woo. Mana nak drive macam ni? Tak nampak apa.
Four group.
Breakfast in Kuala Lumpur, lunch in Ankara.
Yes.
Dinner in Murmansk.
Yes. Okay.
And see Aurora.
Agree. Tamam.
Tamam. So kita nak drop off Adihan and Sumaya. They going back. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Prince.
Thank you, Roman.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You're welcome. See you guys again.
See you later. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice
Bye.
to meet you guys. Nice to meet you guys.
Smiling. Nice to meet you guys. We are welcome again.
Bring more people from Turkey.
Mutlu söyle.
Bye.
Very serious.
Woo! So beautiful. Gila no, Roman ni punya lagi gigih dia carikan kita masjid. Inilah dia masjidnya. Welcome to Murmansk Mosque. So this is the mosque. Kita dah sampai dekat Masjid Murmansk. This is brother Muhammad. If you come to Murmansk, I can come here inshallah. Wow, assalamualaikum. Alhamdulillah. Mashallah, so big. See? Wow, the class.
اهلا وسهلا مرحبا بك.
Assalamualaikum. Yeah, from Malaysia. Good, inshallah. What, you studying Quran? Alhamdulillah. Di belakang saya sekarang ni bukan kapal biasa. Dia adalah Lenin Icebreaker Museum yang dikuasakan oleh nuklear, di mana fungsinya sebelum ni ketika dibina pada tahun 1958, dia digunakan untuk memecahkan iceberg atau icebreaker untuk memastikan kapal-kapal dagang yang lain ni mereka boleh melalui lautan samudera ni dengan mudah. Jadi ni ibaratkan like a lead husky in front of all the ships So it will be the icebreaker, so that all the ships they can go through into the ocean safely. So this is not an ordinary ship, but this is a legend ship. Now it become a museum so that we can learn about nuclear, and we can learn about how does the economy works, especially on the ocean and the bay. Okay, satu lagi fakta menariknya, bila kita sebut pasal nuklear, of course yang first kali terlintas di kepala otak kita adalah tak bahaya ke, kan? And sebenarnya memang pernah berlaku insiden pada lebih kurang tahun 1962. Masa tu kapal ni dia ada berlaku sesuatu lah kat dalamnya, kan. Jadi para tim ni dia decide untuk tinggalkan nuclear station tu. Dia nak potong bahagian yang affected tu dan tinggalkan di satu tempat yang kononnya selamat, iaitu dekat seberang Newland. Kalau korang nampak dekat map ni, nampak Newland kan, dia kenapa dia letak dekat belakang dia, and then dia tak bagi tahu kepada umum tau. Dan bila kapal ni balik, dia gantikan dengan yang baru. Bila kapal ni balik, dia gantikan yang baru tu, dia tak cerita pun yang sebenarnya yang nuclear station sekarang kat ni adalah bukan yang asal. Yang asal telah ditinggalkan dekat bawah Newland tu. Dan apa yang berlaku dekat situ, kita semua tak tahu. Dan kemungkinan sebenarnya apa yang berlaku dekat belakang tu, nuklear tu terjatuh ke dasar laut dan telah memberikan satu reaction ataupun radiasi kepada hidupan laut yang berada kat sana. Jadi sampai sekarang tak ada siapa tahu apa yang berlaku kat sana, dan mungkin ada sesuatu yang berlaku dekat kawasan Newland tu. Yang pastinya kita semua tak tahu apakah misteri yang sebenarnya di sebalik landing. Sangat menarik Okay, kalau korang nampak kat sini ada ramai pasangan yang sebab korang nampak dekat tu, dekat pagar ni punyalah banyak padlock. Okay, kita nak try minum. Wah, dia ada Russian cola. Okay, dinner kita malam ni dia ada agak sedikit menarik sebab dia bukannya makanan biasa. Okay, first kita ada cola, and then yang paling special ni dia kita ada king crab. King crab ni dia asalnya daripada Kamchatka, which is daripada salah satu wilayah di Rusia yang sangat jauh daripada Moskow, tempat yang sangat sejuk. Dan king crab ni dilepaskan di lautan di Barents Sea, dan sekarang ni ini king crab ni asalnya daripada Barents Sea dekat Murmansk ni. So ini adalah local king crab. Tapi uniknya dekat sini dia ada satu tempat yang kita panggil sebagai Kola Bay. Okay. Kola in Russian means gold. Jadi ia sangat berharga. Kenapa dipanggil gold? Sebab di bawah Kola Bay ni dapat banyak hasil laut. Contohnya king crab, kita ada salmon, yang mana pihak kerajaan ingin memastikan hasil laut ni kekal terpelihara, orang tak cerdas dan tiada pergaduhan berlaku. Jadi mereka melimitkan penangkapan hasil laut ini hanya certain manusia saja yang ada permit, dan untuk dapatkan permit ni perlu bayar mahal, dan untuk menangkap ni pula ada limit untuk setiap seorang. Sebab tu istimewanya king crab dekat sini. Walaupun lah dekat sini kita mendapatkan dengan sangat mudah. So king crab dekat Murmansk adalah salah satu hidangan yang patut anda cuba bila datang ke sini, sebab memang rasanya fresh dari sini. So datang Murmansk, makanlah king crab.
Hello, my friend. Owner of this place. Yes, people.
Very nice. She's very busy.
Just he's speaking like that. Let people know him. Not enough. He asked it and pay more
time dulu tengok musang. Ni serigala yang betul. This is a real bear.